Are you curious about what the most used programming language is actually currently? Here in this video, I'm going to share with you here actually what these programming languages are. That's starting with the top 5, and on the last place is on the 5th place we are talking about C#. C# is a language which was developed by Microsoft on the .NET framework. It's mostly used for game development or web apps, and is used because simply it is a ease of use programming language and has a really high performance. That's why it's under the top 5 of most used programming language currently. On the 4th place we are talking about Java. Java is a programming language which is known for write once, use anywhere. So it's platform independent. You can use it on a Mac, you can use it on a Linux, you can use whatever, everywhere you like it. 90% of software from Fortune 500 companies are written in Java, so it's still one of the most relevant programming languages out there. And because it's so reliable and secure, and that's why so many big companies are relying heavily on Java to write their software and their infrastructure. So therefore Java is still very relevant. Next is C++. This is why C++ is an object-oriented programming language, and it's known for its very low-level access to hardware. So you have memory management, you have much more control over resources than other programming languages, very fast, and it's also used for AI development, game development, as well as browser development, web, yeah. And now on the 2nd place we're talking about C. C is basically so one version behind C++, you can say. It was developed by David Ritchie. Is also very you can have direct access to your hardware through C. It is used for drive development. It is used for software development. Yes, of course, software development, but drive development, embedded systems, operating system, kernel systems. So that's why people are using C, because you have a very high performance programming language here with C, and as well as it's easier to use than C++. And then on the top, the most used programming language out there is Python. Python is the most used programming language that's out there because of AI development. And why? Because Python is very easy to use. It's much slower than C or C++, but it's easy to use, and that's why so many people are using it to develop their AI apps, AI programs, AI software, AI bots, and that's why Python is still the unrivaled king in programming languages. And that's all what I want to show through here, this little ranking, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you.